Welcome everybody, welcome to a brand new video. This is going to be a very short video. Peter in the house today, back to you with a brand new video, guys. So we're basically talking about the blind spot mirrors on my car. As everybody knows, I have a 2019 VW Jetta, base model, so an S. That is perfectly fine for my needs, but there's one thing that I have decided to do, and it's something that is really useful, especially here in California, guys, because we've got so much traffic and humans just make mistakes, guys. Lots of humans make mistakes, and this is something that is very useful in traffic like LA. What I have ordered and is a project basically, and we're going to be walking through all the steps of this project together. I'm most likely to be the first person actually doing this thing for this car. I ordered these mirrors. They are the mirrors for the Golf 7 series, basically, 7th edition. As you can see right here, it says Golf 7. These are the mirrors for the Golf 7 that technically are the exact same mirrors for my car. The only difference in respect to these and the ones that I have installed in my car is that these have the actual blind spot monitoring system light integrated inside the mirror. So basically, this is going to be a two-part video because today we have just a mirror. I have to test them, and we're going to test them together to make sure that these mirrors do fit on my car. They're actually the perfect fit. And this is going to be basically part one, video number one. In video number two, we're actually going to be hooking up all of the blind spot system that I still do need to order to the mirrors, basically. So it's going to be something that is not going to be running through the computer of the car, like basically it's done in OEM, but it'll just be running through the A-pillar of the car, going back to the back, to the pillar of the back of the car, hooking on the back bumper, basically. So let's just carry on with this part of the video. Let's unbox these mirrors, okay? So this is the left. So just let me explain a bit. These were very difficult to find, guys. These are not easy to find for the United States. So if you need any blind spot mirrors like these for your car, for your 2019 Jetta, guys, there is this seller, and he delivered a week before schedule, and that is actually amazing for being eBay, guys. So yeah, let's unbox this. It was very well packaged. Basically, they had like packaging around it and all that stuff, and it was well packaged. Yeah, absolutely. So as you probably can see, this mirror has right here a black thing. It's not very easy to see. You probably can see it. Okay, you can see it probably on my face. I'm using my face basically to show you guys. That little symbol will light up orange when all this is installed. So we'll put this one to a side, and we'll unbox the other one. And there's the second mirror right there. They are in absolutely perfect conditions and with no stains at all. If you're going to be using these on your 2019 Jetta, do keep in mind your 2019 Jetta S model, aka the base model, won't have heated mirrors. But these mirrors have the possibility of being heated because there's 1 and 2 little thingies right here that you attach for the heating system. Now, that probably I will do one day. I'll just change the whole control of the mirrors so that you can heat them, and then I'll just run the wires to basically heat the mirrors. But as of right now, I'm not going to need that feature, and I'm going to be just concentrating on the blind spot feature right now. So guys, let's just get on with this and just install these mirrors. As you can see, my mirrors already have this like blind spot little thing. I added this, guys. I got it from Pep Boys for like $4. Not each, both of them were $4 together. And I added them, but the thing is, they're pretty okay for during the day, but when it comes for during the night, you just see a bunch of lights, and it's so confusing. First thing, very important, and you'd say this is strange, we've been having rain lately, again, in California, so we're gonna be wiping down the whole area with a microfiber towel. Guys, use a microfiber towel. This will likely not scratch your paint and everything, and just, you want to absolutely make like this whole area, like all the mirror and all this side panel, completely nice and dry. Once you have done that, and you have completely wiped out this whole area. The next thing is to turn on the ignition of the car with your keys, because we're gonna need to move this mirror completely to the right side. You can see, guys, I can literally put my finger like back here. Like, you can literally just put your finger back here, and this is where we're gonna be prying the mirror to come out. And you wanna do this gently so you don't break the actual mirror. Okay, there we go. So basically that's how it is, guys, right there. I literally just took off this mirror right here. As you can see, guys, you can literally see yourself in the camera right there. Okay, we'll just try to install it and see what happens, okay? So let's try to install this. Okay guys, so as you've seen, I have basically installed the mirror, and as you will see, this will move the mirror in the perfect way. Alright, there, see, goes up, goes down. That's basically how much it goes down. Now, you don't want to, you want to just make sure that all of these connectors have actually popped in, and that is literally how you install a blind spot mirror for this car. The shape is practically perfect, and it works perfectly also with the electronic components. So guys, if you do want me to tell you who this seller is, if you want a 2019 VW Jetta mirror with blind spot integrated into it, kind of OEM around that, please do comment down below, and I will make sure to put his eBay link, the eBay link of the object, if you do want it. So I won't show you the process of putting the right mirror because it's exactly the same process of putting the left mirror. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Do subscribe, guys, because we're going to be making a lot of videos about cars and about repairing cars, also with my coworker, with Chris, that you've seen in the Ouija board video. And guys, yeah, I will see you in the next video.